Right, we have consumed the breakfast. What did we think of the breakfast? It was good.
I feel really fat now. I mean, I am.
So am I. It's fine. Right. Where should we start? There is so much in here.
Right, I think we should go right all the way around. Let's do the snake.
Alright, I'll follow you then, Brad.
Right, let's go.
Yes, the old Benelli. That's Barney. Another Benelli.
Oh wait, you know who won? That's for Zach. The husky.
Oh, the little husky.
Yeah, he really likes that.
Fair enough. Send it to him. Cotton. Suzuki. So this used to be where all the Ducatis were, but now it seems to be all Triumphs.
You know, I can't say that.
Okay.
Well, I have to look.
We just had a devious thought. Okay, this Ducati store over here, the one in the big crate. That's not really a crate, it's just a frame.
What do you think? I think I'd rather keep it for myself. Huh? Looking for a tasty festive gift? Ask Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's, good food for
24 grand basically.
Say hello to Rayo. Music for every mood and podcasts for every moment. Download the Rayo app.
Play more with Rayo.
Ooh, it's rare.
Oh,
nice speech. Some gear and stuff. Would you like some oil?
Yes, please.
There's oil for you.
I haven't even checked my oil recently.
So, I probably should.
Yeah, but yours is a Triumph, yours is fine.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure.
Like a skate?
At your fingertips.
Brems for some guys, supposedly? A lot of people would tend to associate Triumph with reliability, but I could be wrong. No, but brother. Obviously they've got all their Kawasaki's here. Lots of Kawasaki's. Right, and we're going back up again now.
Yeah, I don't know why we came back down here.
Well, because I didn't think the Kawasaki's better. Yeah, I do like these. There you go, M. 1,500 quid, new bike for you. I hate the fact that the GoPro keeps trying to turn off.
I don't even have anywhere to store another bike.
That's been here for a while, this one here.
Sorry, one sec, phaser.
Oh, it's in phases. You alright, Governor? Come on in, let's look at the phases.
Oh, no wonder why this is somewhat like mine, it's because this is
That's in 600, isn't it? Isn't it? Go on then.
even though this rev's lower, but
This is, oh no, this is an 800, I think, isn't it?
I think so.
Well, I think it's a 6.
I think it's a 6.
Is it? I can't remember.
an 8.
I was confused.
I don't think they do it, eh?
Yeah, they do an 800 because I was looking at them. No, I think, I don't know.
I'm fairly sure it's a 6. This is a FZ1.
I don't know because that's got the same dash as the
both have the same
XJ6. But no, the one on the right.
Yeah, they both have the same dash. The FZ1 and the FZ6. There you go. Well, that is just a bad review.
I
Doesn't make sense which is the worst one.
don't know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, because that's the XJ6 dash, I think.
Yeah, it's a FZ8 or is it?
I think it's an 8.
I don't think they do an 8.
They do an 800, I promise you they do.
Do they?
Yes. Yeah, some BMWs.
You either get 1,000 or you get
GS. Oh, Millie and the Tuono. Very nice.
Fuck you, right? Isn't it, today?
So like a sidecar, get in. We're going for a picnic.
One of the women's colleagues keeps fucking this up. Because she can't walk properly.
But okay, valid.
Seriously. Oh, I'm sorry, but you have to look in there.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
Right at the back.
Oh, well, the Ducati on the ramp, I've just seen that.
Oh.
It's like a go-kart.
Oh my god, it's sick. There's one. I found this new bike.
Ducati at the back. Oh, perfect.
Jesus, it does 80 miles an hour.
Oh, insane.
It's doing 80 right now. Yo.
Do you like some suits?
I would buy them brokey.
They've got any Triumph ones.
You want to put it on the leather set?
Yeah, these are all pro, don't they?
Yamaha? Jacket?
Yamaha.
For the lady.
Small gear.
The jacket looks just like the red one.
Does it now? Half my torso in that at most.
What is one?
It's all SWMs or whatever they are.
What is one of these bikes up?
Oh, little RD350, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Right,
I think that's all done for a while, isn't it?
yeah. Oh yeah, it might be the sole bit at the back here. Right, round we go. Facebook Marketplace and get scammed, you got a point. You got Facebook Marketplace. We got on the right here. Some lids and stuff.
How much you scammed with your...
Someone's gonna scam me for my Honda on Facebook Marketplace.
Have you even posted it yet?
Yeah, it's been like for ages.
Really?
I could get people offer me like 700 quid for it when it's up for like 2-4. Like, how about no?
What?
That's tall, isn't it?
I'll give you like $1,000 now.
Fuck it, man. Grand and a Big Mac.
That'll be all coming up, isn't it?
I want this one.
It's cheap, it's only £10.
Better cheap.
Listen, hear me out, right? Bun off the A-frame.
Bun
You
off
two
the
could be running on there.
fuck's sake.
Here's an A3 Kazi Guru.
Oh my god, it's a VMAX, a carbon VMAX.
Oh. That is sexy.
It's also 18 grand.
Very fast sexy. There's got a factory Afrokovich.
Is it?
Afrokovich, yeah.
Oh yeah. Don't know if you see it in the camera very well. That R1's tasty, isn't it?
It's
Do you
2015.
like the R1?
Yes, I love the R1.
Ben, yes. Funky looking Suzuki thing.
It's only 2.7.
Is it?
You think they do a deal with me if I give them your...
With the keys in it, mate. Just take it right now.
Oh no, who had the USB Connect mount? Grow up, just get a quad lock.
You telling him, you tell him. Keys.
Jungle gel.
Jungle gel? What is that? What is it?
I just want to know if you're a 3636 or something.
Go on then. Get one right now.
If only I had the license for it.
Just find one and take it, and you don't have to worry about a license. I swear. Nice Hayabusa. With custom seat, of course. What year is this? T-Reg, what year is that? I have no idea. Way before my time.
No, it can't be 2000.
No, I said T-Reg. Way before my time.
So that should be on 97.
Is that a 905? Yeah, it is. Right.
Yeah, that should be a 97. Because it's 2 years before mine.
Oh, is it?
Roughly.
It's nice. I swear they've got a V5 in them.
Look. got a dip, you're not going to see it.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to see much of the engine.
I'm sorry, but why? What's the point?
Unless it's meant to be upright and it's folded down a bit. Just go this way, bro. Get off me.
No, but what's the point of putting a bar on the sport? Does it look goofy? Yes. Are they decent? Why?
Don't know, I have to go find the owner and speak to him. Well, previous owner. Funky colour, isn't it? That one's been a while, I think.
That's wild.
£2,000, oh my god. CBX 1000. 6-cylinder. Just under 10 grand. Yeah, it's not that. It's not a 500.
I mean, the 500 bucks is definitely the same. The CD 500X.
Do you want to look at the lightning on this? Reminds me of. You know the meme, you should kill yourself now?
Well, you know what really gets me going?
Oh, show that again. Squish.
I mean, I guess it really does put people down, but still. Look, the jungle juice. Or did you want the Maxilla?
Oh yes, jungle juice.
I can give you mine.
That's what I call the liquids in the airport bins. Jungle juice. I sort of really looked at this. Let's put this.
Is this what I think it is?
It's what?
This is Pan Am.
We walked past that a minute ago. Yeah, Pan American.
Hell yeah.
Do you want the Pan American M?
I want one.
Or he wants one?
It's a good Harley. Well, sorry. You only get Harley.
First infuriated half the planet. Valid. Nortons are nice, aren't they?
No.
Alright, fair enough.
The new ones are bad.
Oh, the ones we saw at NEC.
Yes,
Yeah, you weren't a fan, were you?
Now look at this, right? They got this so nice and, you know, quality. Like, it feels nice. Feel that? This is metal. Shit, by the way.
It is indeed metal.
Well,
yeah, the new ones were a bit plasticky, didn't they?
It's so plastic.
And the switchgear and stuff.
The whole thing is plastic, right? Nice.
Well, you know the whole new Jaguar concept car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's designed by the same person who's designed the new Nortons.
Really?
Yeah, apparently.
They didn't come from the job, right? That's all I'm going to say, they didn't come from a new job. Because designing clearly in their thing.
Right, this is all the Ducatis have moved to. There were two cars here. I think it was a Testarossa, and now it's just the. Is it an Elise?
Lotus, yeah.
It's a Lotus Elise.
No, it's not an Elise. I think it's an
Oh, I
Elise.
can't remember what it's called. It's a Lotus. I don't know how much. Okay, no, it's not. It's not carbon, but it is black. And it does look very sexy. And it's probably also, yeah, it is. It's also very expensive at 15.5k.
Really?
That's worth more than my car.
Yeah, but you got shit.
Huh?
You got shit though.
My car's not shit, I swear. It's just the Cosmobile. Got a few in here.
What?
Very nice.
I'm sorry, but how many people have you actually seen having this different case?
I don't know, I didn't even know it existed until you started mentioning him today.
The knockoff Motovlog, that is.
Oh, I know.
It probably locks in better, like, you don't have to check it, like, I'm not make sure it's in there, but still. I thought that said 150. I was like, oh,
150 quid, yeah. Tote bag. It's nice, isn't it? I'm gonna guess it runs. Oh, I say that, there's no seat in it. Or is that the seat? You just sit on the back wall?
Please refer, I think they took it out so people won't sit in it.
Oh yeah, because there's a seat on the other side.
I think they literally just took it out so people don't sit in it, because I think people were like, oh yeah, I'm going to come sit in it.
Probably.
Sit in this nice seat.
Some helmets, bro.
That looks like a fire dash, like an old fire dash.
Basically, just under 30 grand you can have this. Ah yes. What on earth is that? Look behind you.
This is 40k miles, by the way. Yeah,
Look,
no, I've seen
look
it.
behind you though.
Richard First's son. I don't know, there's sorry. Or the Peds.
No, that.
That's worth more than my bike, mate. For what reason? What is that worth?
The peds. The little Vespa. Oh my god, I forgot Kawasaki used to make mopeds.
Yeah.
Little Vespa.
Sound is meant to be really nice.
Oh yeah. Drag racing peds, aren't they, kind of?
Two of these are worth more than the car, by the way.
Not all.
Yeah.
Not all. I refuse to believe it. If you go look at the rest of the Hondas and stuff. Oh, hang on, he wants to look at something. Come on, see if there's anything in it.
Oh.
Let down. So lots of helmets and stuff.
I don't want to touch it because I'm going to break it.
Don't want to get
I
kicked
don't know how to
out.
use the top box. I don't know how it works.
That's very scary.
I don't know how to go the manual. I just want to go for this.
Two race bikes here. Jigsaw and Kawasaki. Very nice. Oh, he's touching me. Maybe.
In case Andy owner's waiting.
I love the GoPro man that's painted on.
Yeah.
That's all the character. I swear you're not even allowed on track.
I think it's allowed on the bike as long as it's not on the helmet, I think.
I'm fairly sure everything that's on the bike has to be safety wire together.
Maybe, I have no idea.
That does not look to me like it has a sort
It has been snittered.
21st of July, right?
Yeah, that's a year, doesn't it? Obviously there's the cap and stuff. Passat. Big old Dorado. Is it? Which one's that?
CBS tank. I'll take a while to get It's a direct injection.
Small chance up there. It's sold. Oh, and yeah, we've got these here. Nice. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in here. There's a little BMW there as well at the back. Yeah, that's pretty much everything in here.
That's what you should have got for like.
Oh yeah.
Instead of your.
Well, have you just got like the really random modern gold wing? Just right there.
I'd love it, man.
I don't know.
Could you imagine how comfortable this is?
Yeah, at speed. I can't imagine it's very comfortable on low speed manoeuvres.
I can imagine it being very comfortable sitting in traffic, but it's 5,600 miles. 2019.
Oh yes.
If you want a gold one for 20 grand.
Yeah, arcade machines. I don't know if it works or not when it's on, but every time I come in, it's in a different state.
The giant Indian bike of the month.
Yes.
Screaming Eagle performance kit.
Right, and with that, that is basically everything in here. Oh my god, how do we miss this? Go on, get on it.
No.
Alright, fair enough, what's your on it?
You should go.
Okay. Final thoughts and opinions.
It's smaller than it looks like. It looks a lot bigger than it is.
Yeah, I guess so.
I like that.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, there's loads of variety in here. It's kind of like a mini museum, Brev.
Yeah, to be fair, it's probably more like a museum than anything. Have you even got a Hayabusa in it?
Yeah, I got the Hayabusa in it. We also were looking at what reg it was.
Good.
Ooh, good boy. Right, we are probably gonna make a move pretty soon and head back. So yeah, this is TTT. Lots of cool stuff in here. And it's a bit of a random walkthrough, but I wanted to film something. Hope you enjoy it. If anything else happens after this, I'll put it on screen. If not, thank you for watching.